Learn to automate routine tasks using agentic AI to boost productivity and efficiency. Discover how to implement AI-driven automation tools for streamlining your daily workflows.
Welcome to our channel. Did you know that businesses using AI for task automation see a significant increase in productivity? In today's video, we're diving into how agentic AI can transform your daily workflows by automating routine tasks, enhancing both efficiency and effectiveness. Stay tuned as we explore setting up and integrating these powerful tools into your existing systems, ensuring data security, and monitoring AI performance to adjust as needed.
Agentic AI is an artificial intelligence that operates independently within set parameters, making decisions based on real-time data inputs. Think of it as a digital assistant that doesn't just follow orders but understands the tasks it needs to perform. This understanding is crucial for task automation as it allows AI to handle repetitive tasks with minimal human intervention. By recognizing the capabilities and limitations of agentic AI, you can better leverage its potential without falling into the trap of over-reliance. Before diving into automation, you need to identify which tasks are best suited for agentic AI. Start with tasks that are repetitive, time-consuming, and prone to errors. These often include data entry, scheduling, and basic customer service inquiries. Evaluate the frequency and complexity of these tasks, prioritizing those that will significantly free up your human resources for more strategic activities. Using a task assessment matrix can help in deciding which processes to automate first, ensuring a strategic approach to integrating AI into your workflow.
Once you've identified the tasks to automate, the next step is setting up the right AI tools. Start by selecting tools that best fit your specific needs. Many AI solutions offer detailed installation and setup guides. Follow these carefully to ensure proper integration. Customize the settings to align with your workflow, and make sure these tools are compatible with your existing systems. Don't forget to test the setup extensively to confirm everything functions as expected, avoiding disruptions in your operations. Integrating AI tools with your existing systems requires careful planning to ensure seamless communication and data consistency. Utilize APIs to facilitate effective integration, allowing your AI to access and process data from various platforms. Training your staff on these new systems and processes is crucial for smooth adoption. Continuously monitor the integration to spot and resolve any issues early, ensuring the AI functions as intended without interrupting your business operations. Data security is paramount when implementing AI automation. Begin by implementing robust encryption protocols to protect sensitive information. Regular updates to your AI tools are essential to patch any security vulnerabilities. Restrict data access exclusively to authorized personnel and conduct regular security audits to identify potential risks. Educating your employees on best practices for data security will further enhance your protection measures, ensuring that your AI-driven processes remain secure from external threats.
To maximize the benefits of AI automation, it's crucial to monitor its performance continuously. Key metrics include task completion times, error rates, and decision-making accuracy. By evaluating these metrics, you can gauge the AI's impact on productivity and efficiency. Use this data to make informed adjustments, ensuring the AI remains aligned with your business objectives. Gathering feedback from team members interacting with the AI can provide valuable insights for refining processes and enhancing overall performance.
Continuous improvement is a core principle in AI automation. Regularly review your AI processes to identify areas for optimization. Incorporate feedback from users and stakeholders, making necessary adjustments to enhance performance. Staying updated with the latest advancements in AI technology allows you to integrate new features and capabilities. Adapt your automation processes to meet evolving business needs, ensuring that your AI solutions remain scalable and capable of supporting future growth. The future of AI automation is bright and full of potential. We're seeing a trend towards greater autonomy in AI, where systems can operate with minimal human intervention. Integration with the Internet of Things, IoT, is expanding AI's capabilities, enabling more comprehensive automation solutions. As AI becomes more prevalent, ethics and regulations will continue to evolve, shaping how we use these technologies responsibly. Personalized AI experiences are becoming more common, tailoring solutions to individual user needs. To stay competitive, businesses must prepare for rapid technological changes and adapt their strategies accordingly. As we wrap up, it's clear that AI automation is revolutionizing how we work, enhancing productivity and efficiency across industries. Understanding and leveraging agentic AI equips you with a powerful tool to automate routine tasks, freeing up time for more strategic activities. Remember, continuous improvement and staying informed about AI trends are crucial for long-term success. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more insights and updates on AI and automation. Let us know in the comments what topics you'd like us to cover next.